Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set all of your photos to have the same exact length on CapCut PC. So before adding it, you have to do this before you add the pictures. So you are going to simply, okay, I'll just show you. So this one's around like 3 seconds, and I want them all to have the same duration, for instance, but like in a different time length. So go to menu and go to settings and go to edit and go to image duration and set the duration you want. For instance, I want all the pictures to be 0.5 seconds. You can also do it per frame, but it's easier to do it in seconds. Select save, and then you're going to select your pictures and add it to your timeline, and as you can see, it's all 0.5 seconds. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.